Ooh, there's a red light flashing in there.
That's why I knew as soon as I opened his shoulder that she'd be like, ooh.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby. Look at Daddy.
Rip it open.
I mean, when I get home, I can rip open all the other presents.
Now it's like,
I get it now. I get it now.
Weird looking paper and folding.
Oh, we've looked at that, haven't we, babies?
Ooh.
Oh, ooh, what are you doing? Uh-oh. Oh.
Structo baby.
Where'd it go?
Thank you. There's more coffee here. We're like, on my way.
Like, this is one of those jokes that my mom always says when we play it in the store. Thank you. Not.
I'm gonna get this out of here for you.
Oh.